are butter, brown and white sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, flour, baking soda, salt, and semi-sweet chocolate chips. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Leave 1 stick of butter out to soften. Step 2. Grab a medium mixing bowl, add in 1/2 cup white sugar, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 2 cups flour, and 1 teaspoon baking soda, and mix. Step 3. Use this step only if you have a mixer. Pour your dry mixture into your KitchenAid mixer bowl. Step 4. In another medium bowl, add in 1 stick of your softened butter cut into little slices, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, and 2 teaspoons hot water. Step 5. Once everything is combined, pour your wet ingredient bowl into the dry ingredients. Mix. Step 6. Grab your bowl of cookie dough and take a small piece out. Roll it into a ball and place it on a pan with parchment paper. Step 7. Place them in your oven once all cookie dough has been placed on the pan. Put them in the oven for about 10 minutes. Step 8. Let the cookies cool and enjoy.